Hello and welcome to this 7-minute sacral chakra practice. If you've been feeling a bit stuck, uninspired, or emotionally heavy, this short practice is for you. Now that we have anchored our roots into the earth, we gently flow upward, inviting ease and motion back into the second energy center. With peaceful breathing and imagery, we will allow your natural emotional flow to return. Your sacral chakra is located in your lower abdomen, just a couple of inches beneath your navel. Please refer to the screen for reference. Now gently close your eyes as we invite a soothing, cooling breath to quiet the mind and connect you to your sacral chakra. A gentle note before we begin: if you have high blood pressure or a heart condition, it's best to avoid physically closing your nostrils today. Instead, keep your hands resting softly in your lap and simply visualize the breath moving in through the left side and out through the right. And for everyone else, softly close your right nostril with your left thumb and take a long, slow breath in through your left side, drawing in that cooling, peaceful energy. And now close your left nostril with your finger and release your thumb and exhale completely through your right side. Let's repeat that cycle for a minute. Close the right, inhale left. Close the left, exhale right. And let each cycle wash away any remaining tension. Focus all of your awareness on the unique pathway of each breath and notice how the breath moves. Is it free and easy or staggered and tense? There's no right or wrong, just a mindful presence. And release your hands and take a few moments to let go into the flow of pleasure and calmness you are creating. And now, let your senses be the gateway between your external and internal world. Place your attention fully upon your sacral chakra. You can place your hands over this energy center as we expand your consciousness within. Connect with a scent that smells pleasurable to you. And as the scent becomes more prominent in your awareness, flow with its energy into the center of your sacral chakra. Allow your mind to be transported to this inner world. Now visualize yourself resting inside a beautiful open air sanctuary right at the water's edge. You are sitting comfortably on a woven mat, surrounded by the soft, flickering warmth of glowing candles. Beside you, linen drapes drift gently in the evening breeze, framing a calm, vast ocean beneath an amber and gold twilight sky. Look across the water and notice a large, radiant moon casting a shimmering reflection of liquid gold straight towards you. Listen closely to the unhurried rhythm of the tide, the gentle waves softly lapping against the shore. A warm sea breeze kisses your skin as it washes away any physical tightness or rigidity. You are completely safe, yet entirely connected to the open, fluid freedom of the sea. You can let go into peace. Gently bring your awareness back to your physical body and feel the soft rise and fall of your lower belly. And before you open your eyes, carry this truth with you today. You are allowed to flow with life. Your inner waters are calm and clear. Next, we will gently welcome the solar plexus chakra. Subscribe to Journey On with me, and thank you for sharing this time with me today.